Okay, it turns out the corner, I had done that on purpose the more I thought about it. Plus, I put the square on and it was fine. So, probably my plywood wasn't totally squared off. I probably should have done that first, but that's okay. The end result is fine. Everything's squared off. It's not perfect, but it's darn close to being, it's totally fine. If anything, it could have went up a little bit more, but it's good. So, I finished oiling and it's beautiful. You can see the effect here. We got some glare coming off the top lights because it's laying down on my table saw. It'll be interesting to put it on the wall because then it's going to be up and down like this, so the light's going to be hitting it much different than it is now. I did oil the granite also. So what I think I'll do is after this video, I'm going to go over it one more time, lightly with some more oil, because then I'm leaving for the day. So I like to come back out after an hour, but in this case, I'm going to call it a day. So I'm going to put a light coat on it, and then we will let it dry. Give you a close up of the different woods. You have the red oak, the cucumber, and the beech here. Now we got the cherry, or red oak. There's our black walnut, more red oak, and here's our white ash next to our black walnut, and then our granite. I'll wipe this off, not leave too much excess on that. It's probably not going to soak in much more, but it will soak in some. It is granite. Got some red oaks there, some a little bit of mineral stain on that one. And we got a cool part right there in the wood. Now this one right here, you see that little ripple? It's got a little bit of curly going on. I'm really not sure. I don't think it's I would say it's more of a, oh gosh, I'm not sure what it is. It's not a hard maple. Maybe a birch. That could be a birch. Yeah, I'm going to say birch. Could even be a white birch. You have different species of birch. You got the grays, the black birch. I'd say this is a white, if anything. Oh, and then we got our little cucumber there. Not cucumber, I'm sorry, butternut. Cucumbers over here, the green. Okay, strip of cherry right here, and another cherry, and another cherry. Cherry really matches up nice with that black walnut. In this case, we got some red oak in the middle there. Okay, beautiful. Can't wait to hang it. It is heavy. I'm gonna have to hang it some real good wire. It's going to, and since it's in the basement with a concrete wall, it's going to go up into the sill plate. So we'll have good fastening there. So as long as that wire, and I'll fasten into the sides. So we'll go into the thicker wood here on the sides. Okay, light coat of oil, and we're calling it a day.